Oh, hey guys, I hope you're well. Yes, so today we're going to look at graph theory. We're going to plot some special graphs using networkx and matplotlib to apply plot. And yeah, so yeah, on a side note, guys, I would really appreciate it if you do subscribe to the channel. So if you love what you see, please subscribe. Please share the videos with your friends on Instagram, Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it. Signal, WhatsApp, whatever you can use. Just share the videos, even on YouTube itself or the social media stuff. Yeah, so cool. So yeah. Let's get started. So I need to import the libraries that I need. So I'll start off by typing so import, right, and then matplotlib the pyplot as p, right, and then I'm gonna import my networkx as well. So import network x as nx, right. I'll just import numpy just in case I might use it, but I doubt very much anyway. But just as a habit, numpy as np, right. So plotting the graphs. So I have a graph called m, right, and then nx dot Mobius Cantor graph, right, and yeah, and another graph as well. I'll call it b, and that's nx dot binomial graph. Okay, and I'll have to have two entries in there. So n, that would represent so n would be the number of nodes. So I'm just gonna say for argument's sake 10, and the probability for float probability for an edge creation. So I'll put anything that's between 0 and 1. So 0.5. Let's go 0.5. Okay, and then another graph as well. I'll call it L. That's equal to nx dot at random lobster graph. Yeah. Okay, and I need three numbers in there, right? So I'm just gonna put 7, 0.9. So that's the probability, right? Okay, and another probability figure as well. I'll put 0.5. Yeah, that'll do. Right. So I'm gonna draw the graphs. So nx dot and draw. Let's start with m. Then p dot show. Right. So let's play that. So that's my m graph. Okay. So that's the Mobius Cantor graph. Okay, cool. Right. So that's graph 1. Right. I'll change that and I'll put B. Actually, hold on. Yeah, that's a binomial graph. Okay. I'll delete that. Right. And then L. Yeah, that's a random lobster graph. Right. Yeah, nice, isn't it? You know, lobster, but hey, each to their own, I think. Right. Yeah, so close that. Right. Show you the plots again. So M. And I'll delete that. And so there's Mobius graph, right? And then B again. I'll show you B again. There we go. And finally, I'll show you L. Voila. Cool, great. So I mean, there's a lot of them anyway. So I just thought this is a quick intro regarding spatial graphs. Okay, cool. So yeah, on a side note, guys, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, and please share the videos as well. Thanks. Right, bravo. Thank you guys, and have a lovely one. Cheers. Bye for now.